How to withdraw money from EBT card. I'm gonna teach you how to withdraw money from EBT card in today's tutorial. I'm gonna try to explain it as much as I can with photos, given that I don't have an ATM machine casually just sitting in my room. So, drawing cash from your EBT card is really simple. You just have to find an ATM machine that accepts EBT card. After that, you just need to put in your EBT card into the ATM machine. Enter your personal ID number, then select Withdraw from the ATM menu. Now, you will be able to see the option of putting the amount of cash you want to withdraw. So all you need to do now is to enter the amount you'd like to withdraw, then confirm the transaction. The transaction will be approved, and you're gonna get your cash, and that's it. Enjoy being rich.